Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You need to act fast. Open Google Photos or Photos. Google. And sign into the exact Google account you used when the photos were stored. Once done, tap the library, then trash to surface deleted items. Google keeps them for 60 days. If sync was off, check the device's local Photos or Gallery app next. Sometimes files remain on device. Make sure backup and sync is enabled, so recovered items reappear across devices, and proceed to select items you want restored. You can restore directly. Select the photos in trash and choose Restore. They return to your library and original albums. If trash is empty, search device folders and connected backups. Android device backup, Google Drive, or an SD card might hold originals. Once you locate a backup, import or copy files into the Photos folder and allow the app to sync. If manual recovery is needed, use Google Takeout to export account data. This can reveal archived copies you can re-import into Photos. Finish by confirming the restored images appear in albums and on all linked devices. Give Google Photos a few minutes to reconcile. If something is still missing, force a sync by toggling backup and sync off and on, then restart the app and device. Make sure you're not using a different account or a separate Photos folder. If problems persist, note the exact file names and timestamps before contacting Google support. That information speeds up recovery and helps when items exceeded the 60-day trash window.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.